In this video, I'll show you how to use Minitab to calculate a t-statistic to perform a hypothesis test. Let's use this example. A county is considering raising the speed limit on a road because they claim that the mean speed of vehicles is greater than 50 miles per hour. A random sample of 27 vehicles has a mean speed of 53 miles per hour and a standard deviation of 4.1 miles per hour. At alpha equal to 0.01, which is the same thing as a confidence level of 90%, do you have enough evidence to support the county's claim? So what we need to do is write our null and alternative hypothesis. We're going to write our null hypothesis as the mean less than or equal to 50 and our alternative as the mean greater than 50. If you need help writing hypothesis, we can look at that in another lesson. Given in our problem is our sample size of 27, our sample mean is given as 53, standard deviation is given as 4.1, and our confidence level is calculated as 1 minus alpha, which is 90. The information is input into in Minitab by going under Stat, Basic Statistics, one sample t. Once that editor box opens up, we're going to go to Summarize Data because we're not taking our data out of a column. We're entering in data that has already been summarized. We're just going to enter in this data that we already have. Our sample size is 27, so we enter in 27. The mean of our sample is 53. The standard deviation is 4.1. We're going to tell Minitab to perform a hypothesis test. We then need to give Minitab a little bit more information, so go under Options and give Minitab our confidence level. It defaults to 95, so we need to change it to 90. It also needs to know what our alternative hypothesis is. We wrote our alternative hypothesis as mean greater than 50, so we need to change this to greater than. Click OK. We also need to enter in our hypothesis mean, which is 50. We've entered in everything Minitab needs, so we can click OK. Minitab will then calculate everything we need to know. It has given us our t-statistic, which is 3.8, and it tells us that our p-value is 0.000. Since our p-value is less than alpha of 0.01, we will reject our null hypothesis that the mean is less than or equal to 50.